Hi, this is Amanda Wiedemann. I don't have a designated grade level I'm teaching quite yet. I hope to by the end of August or beginning of September, but I'm K through 8 certificated, and then with a library endorsement halfway by fall. I think that makes me eligible for secondary. I'm less familiar with secondary, but have quickly become kind of up to speed thanks to my classmates, so I appreciate that. So here we are at the library, and you don't really have to dig in too deep to do a search. You can click here or just go to the search bar. Either way, you'll go to the catalog search bar. And one of the features I like is that it defaults to the catalog versus the New York Public Library website. Okay, so the book I've chosen to search for is called Vote for Our Future, and it's an elementary picture book about voting, and I thought that was very timely and it's something that would be good to have in the library. So here it is on the first hit. It's this first title. And for anybody not this is a 2020 book, so for anybody not familiar with the summary, it's right here. So because the polling place takes place at their elementary school, the kids find out all they can about voting and then encourage everyone in their neighborhood to cast their ballots. I thought that would be great. And so if we continue down, I like the interface. It's simple and it's clean. One thing is I cannot find the MARC record. So I'm not sure if that's because, as the professor mentioned, that due to COVID they've locked some of the functions down. I'm not sure about that. But some of the extras are reviews, biography, annotation, and if you scroll down, there's similar titles, similar authors, the element tags, the rating, the dreaded Lexile measure, and a book list. But nowhere on there could I find access into getting to the MARC record. I'm not sure if a membership is required or if it's locked, if the function that's just not available right now. The other thing I wanted to note on the other page is that the author is hyperlinked so that you can go to all of her works, which is a nice feature if you're doing an author search. So I'm not sure when the search bar feature went into play, but they originally had a classic catalog, so I'm going to click on that. So you do have more features to search with. And right here. One feature that I enjoy is the searching by genre, and if you didn't know to look for the classic view, you might not know that all these search functions are here, and there's no MARC record access either. I did look already. So to go back, so here's where we did the search. And I'm going to, this time I'm going to do Esperanza Rising, which is a book I really enjoyed. And I want to look for the audio format. So there's a couple ways to do that. On the search bar, I could have done the advanced feature. And there are keywords, but genre wasn't part of it. So there's format, collection, and location below, but here pretty short on other features to sort with, to filter by. So I'm gonna go back. I'm just gonna go ahead and complete my search. Okay, and here's my results, and I got it on the first hit. So from here I could use the limiters on the left, and I could look for audiobook. but I know it's one more below. And there's my sound recording. So I've enjoyed getting to know this library. I'm familiar with Pierce County Library, so I'm going to do a quick visit over there. One thing that I really appreciate about the Pierce County website is that the search catalog search bar is immediately available. And then on the pull down, you've got some good choices. So for a librarian, or if you're doing a search, that's one feature I really appreciate, because you might not want to do a lot of digging. You might want to be looking for something fast. And of course there's the genre and the ISBN or ISSN, even though that's kind of a longer search. Anyway, that's just something I appreciate. So here we are back to New York. So it's a good website. I can't comment on the MARC record. Sadly, I wanted to get in there and dig around and see what the formatting looks like and how detailed it is, but won't be on this trip. All right, thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed our tour.